If we say Marseille, one of these elements would probably come to your mind. Le Vieux Port, la Bonne Mère, Notre-Dame de la Garde, la Canebière, et le Savon de Marseille. With its 860,000 inhabitants, called les Marseillais et les Marseillaises, it is France's second largest city and has the biggest port of the country. Marseille offers 57 kilometers of gorgeous coastline, 20 of them being Les Calanques, these magnificent white cliffs which rise vertically from the sea. Its idyllic climate boasts 300 days of sunshine per year. Magnifique! Many claim that Marseille would be France's oldest city, founded 2,600 years ago by the Phocians under the name of Massalia. It has been a major platform for trade and exchange since the antiquity. In 2013, Marseille was proclaimed as the European capital of culture, and it continues to be a vibrant place. Here are a few things you should definitely see in Marseille. The Old City, le Château d'If, where le Comte de Monte Cristo, this famous Dumas character, was imprisoned, et le Museum, or the Civilizations Museum. Don't forget to try the specialities of the city. The famous bouillabaisse, a very rich fish soup. L'aïoli, not only the sauce, but the whole main course made of cod, garlic, and potatoes. And for those coming in December, le gros souper de Noël et ses 13 desserts, which is a traditional Christmas meal culminating in 13 desserts, symbolizing Christ and the 12 apostles. Don't hesitate any longer. Time to visit Marseille and La Provence. Being able to speak and understand a minimum of French will greatly enhance your experience in Marseille. With the help of French for Everyday Life, our online learning program, you will be able to learn how to live in France like the French. Oui! The perfect French holiday is possible with Prêt, Parler. Click here for more information about how to learn French with Prêt, Parler.